Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video from the beginning to the end because I'll be taking you through the process on how you can achieve your good looking foamy soap with just two ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to measure my materials I'm going to be using. So right now I'm having my caustic soda and then I'll be needing 75 grams of it. So I already measured my water. The water I used for this soap making is 200 grams. I'll be putting the caustic soda inside and just use spoon to stir it just so it can blend well and mix very well with the water. You can see the caustic soda is so hot through the cup I'm using, so I'm just going to set it aside and let it cool down completely, like completely cool down. So here is my oil. I'm using palm kernel oil for this. I'll be using 279 grams of palm kernel oil. At this point, I know you'll be surprised, what am I doing? Yes, sometimes when we get our oil from where we buy our soap materials from, inside the oil there are some little dirt inside of it. So what I'm doing now is just to sieve the oil and make sure I have no single dirt inside my oil. So after sieving it, I'll put it back inside the stainless bowl I want to use in making my soap. At this point, you can see the dirt inside the net. I just sieve it out, and yes, our oil is completely clean. So right now, as you can see, our oil is fresh and has no single dirt in it. What I'm going to do, my lye is completely cooled down. I'm just going to pour it inside the oil and keep stirring. I will blend and blend with my turning stick just to make sure the oil and the lye blend together and has no separation in it. As you can see, it's completely blend in together. So I'll be adding my other things to it, which is silicates. I'll be putting the silicates to my soap making. Guys, if you want extremely foamy soap, I think you need to add silicates to your production. So right now, that's what I'm going to do. I'll be adding it to it, and once I add it, I'll blend it in and make sure they are all blend together. So here is what we are having. They are all mixed up together. So the next thing I'm going to do is to separate the soap. Because I'm using two colors of it, I'm going to be separating the soap and put each color on the particular place I want it to be. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Consider subscribing, like, drop a comment at the comment section. Let me know what you think about my production. Yes, and I have this online class going on right now. The link will be on the description box. If you find this video helpful and you want to make one yourself but you don't know how to go about it, then you need to join this group. It's a completely free course and free class. No one is going to collect money from you, not even an advanced class, because both everything you need is going to be on that production class. So please feel free to use the link and join the class. When I get the mixture I want, what I'm going to do next is to pour it inside my mold and then keep it aside for some hours. Come back to show you all what the soap will be looking like. So after some hours, here is what the soap is looking like. It's not completely dry, but it's still better. I can take it out from the mold now. So I'm just going to take it out from the mold and then cut it into the shape I want and show you all what it's looking like. So here is what the soap is looking like. I will leave it again and make it dry completely so everything can be very hard. It's still hard, but I want it to be extremely hard. So I'm going to be testing the soap because the soap is not completely dry completely and sit for some days. I still need to use my hand glove because yeah, we use caustic soda and we know caustic soda can be very hot and harsh to the hand. So what I'm going to do is to wear my glove and test it so you guys can see how foamy it is. Yes, so this is what the soap is. It's so foamy. When you use this measurement and you use these materials ingredient for your soap making, your production, you're going to get a very good result. And here is the result I have. You can see all that is very nice. So please like this video, comment and subscribe for more. Bye.